A deputy finds a man unresponsive in his car. Lips blue, pulse faint, no breathing. You're about to see what quick thinking and NARCAN training look like when every second matters.
Yes, it's pulse. I just administered the second 4 milligrams of NARCAN. If you could advise the squad, please. Sit up for me. Hey, come on, wake up. He's got his pulse is pretty good, but... Hey, wake up. His pulse is strong. I haven't got anything yet, buddy. I don't know what's where or what. He was laid over. Hey, grab this. There's foil. And that powder just got all over my shit. I know. It's all right. And then in that dollar bill, there's some too. Wake up. Can you hear me? His pulse is running. Wake up, buddy. Hey. His color looks better already. His lips were blue when I got here, bud. I mean blue. Hey, man. He's coming away. Here we go. Come on. Hey.
571 coming.
Wake up.
571.
Wake up, buddy. Sheriff's office.
57 complete. 30.
Hey. Sheriff's office. Wake up. Hey, there you go. Wake up. Hey, can you hear me? Wake up. I'm afraid to let go of him. He's going to fall back over. Wake up. I don't know what he took, so he might come out swinging. Be ready. Huh? That's what I was afraid of. I know. Hey, man, wake up. Sheriff's office. There you go. Can you hear me? Hey, buddy, wake up. You were in a crash. You okay? Hey, just have him fucking pull up here. Any other time they want to block the entire road. Now they don't want to. I'm gonna take this lane. Hey, wake up, bud. There you go. Hey, Sheriff's office. What's your name?
Vice BFD. Come in.
Can you hear me?
From Arlington. We have the lane blocked for him.
1340.
570 Summit. Narcan appears to be working. His color's better. He's breathing stronger. Wake up, buddy! His color's better. Dude, his lips were purple and out of it when I got here. He's breathing pretty good. His pulse is good. But I gave him 4 and 4. So is that too much?
Within seconds, the man gasps for air and blinks awake.
Wake up, man.
This is what the opioid crisis looks like on the ground and how training saves a life. Share this to spread awareness. NARCAN saves lives. Every second counts.
Okay. There you go. What's your name, bud? Sit up. If I let go, you're going to fall back over.
Let him lay over.
Well, he's going to... I don't know what's in his pocket or anything yet, dude, so...